Hello and welcome to E Prime. My name is Daedran. Get this, Genesee and DJ Brandesh shocked the Fame Frequency Nation on Saturday night. The needed cool down after the national debates offered more than just a regular after party, as specially invited guests, TV and radio general manager Mrs. Claire Grant and Smirnoff's junior brand manager Rashima Kelly stepped behind the DJ booth to share their favorite playlists that sent the weekly viral event trending. The segment aired live across RETV, Fame 95, Radio Jamaica 94, TVJ and online. Started off with DJ Brandesh, who delivered a star-studded dub-plate set mainly from female artists. Girl power.
Brandesh no depend on nobody. Can't tell you what to spend it cause for your money. Me a girl what depend on nobody. Can't tell me what to spend it cause I'm independent.
Let me tell you, preparing for tonight started with my fiance Cecil Bonpan Williams. He is the best, he is a perfectionist, and he took me through the entire process of ensuring that I understand how music is supposed to be played. Now talk about the dubs. I've worked with some phenomenal artists since being in my career, and it has been amazing to work with them, and I can always call on them if I ever need them to support. So thank you, Agent Sasko. Thank you, Shensia. Thank you, Tifa. Really appreciate the support, and I would not forget Denique.
To add to the excitement, Genesee, who was in a cast leading up to the big night, oozed passion. Her high energy set, a Sprague Benz differ, don't play it.
Just differ. She just differ, the style just differ. She just differ, she play sound differ. Hey Genesee, you a kill sound differ, man.
And what will become the most infamous mic drop was enough to send social media in a frenzy.
Well, I had coaching. I mean, this is Radio Jamaica. It's the home of radio. We have the best DJs. So I actually got coaching with DJ Denver and spent a couple hours just trying to understand what it is. And I enjoyed that process, actually. I enjoyed it. I was a bit nervous tonight, but it was fun.
The ladies featured on Fame Frequency Jenna edition, and Rashima spoke to the partnership holding strong for 23 consecutive weeks.
Being a part of Fame Frequency, it feels like a project that I start seeing it from birth. And 23 weeks later, and we're still here. We're still doing something that is innovative and engaging for all our consumers and our viewers. And I think that is just phenomenal, the fact that we partnered with the RJ Gleaner Group to do something like this.
Check out the hashtag Fame Frequency for the comments on the ladies. And of course, get yourself ready for Step Out, a 90s dancehall event presented by the winners of the Smirnoff Fame Frequency Party Pitch Competition, UMA from UWI. Congrats again to the winners and see you this Saturday. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm your Jenna, Daedran. Thank you for watching.